Oh, the Chica. Yes. Remember the ambulance drivers died? No. I guess. I don't know about that. That was just pretty new. Oh, yeah, that's right. And then we had to stop the jigsaw, and it was crazy. You should have saw it. Where have you been? Like I said, I've been on vacation all day. I'm pretty new. I know your name, but it's just can't believe my sister died. I do know Freddy. I just didn't know how did I end up in a toy box. Okay. Toy box. I don't know. This was dark. They actually put me in a package so I can deliver here. It was messed up. I saw heads everywhere at that store. It was terrible. I'm really sorry. Terrible. We gotta get Jigsaw. You do it. It's fine. Yeah. They can never stop. Hold on. What the freak? Who are you? I'm gonna get you. Ouch. That didn't even affect me. Why you say ow? Because I didn't see that coming. Whatever. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, that really hurts. Cupcake, I can't help you, but you have to figure something. Ow, my foot. Stupid Cupcake. What you got now, huh? Tell me what you got. The heck, Mom? What are you doing?
Eat that food.
I don't want that.
What? What?
Don't.
Eat the food.
Hi. Ouch. You just put me in the closet. That was all I'm supposed to do. Ouch. You're so annoying. Ow! Ow! The freak. What the heck was it? I think it was you. Oh, maybe. Sorry, I lost my train of thought, guys. Anyways. What the freak? Yo, Bossy, for to slap me! Ow! My crotch. Ow, ow. You're so annoying. Oh, my money. I got the body! You touch it, it's gonna be some problem. And like, what you gonna do about it? Yeah, punk. Get the body, Cupcake. I'm trying, but he won't sit down. Ow. Take the body. Yes, I got the buddy. Are you boy? I'm done. Letting you take my buddy. I can't believe you. Game over. Is he dead? Is he? Yeah, he did, alright. I don't know, like, Jesus Christ. I don't know my bill. I don't have no more bills after these. Ah, what the heck? It's just a nerf gun. It got me pretty good, but I didn't die, though. That's what matters. Stupid Cupcake. Get out of here. You know what? I'll put you in the grave. We're all the poor and amateur poor. And then Toy Chica realized that she didn't see the messed up room. It's just the... Oh. This is terrible. This is why he kills victims. Yep, I'm just gonna ignore that. I have the one with the... It's fine. I hate my life. Not in real life. I'm talking about toys. I think I'll believe that. Oh my God. God, why do I have to stand a chance with these animatronics? Well, I won a day. Well, that's it, guys. There's going to be a part 2. I know I said that in the last video, but I didn't know how to press the button. I didn't see it there. You know me. It's late at night and I'm really sleepy. So, hope you guys like this video and be safe. Peace.